Hey, what's going on YouTube? Finna get ready to change the oil on my 2002 Saturn SL1. You know, the change oil soon light come on. I mean, sometimes I wait for the light to come on. Sometimes I do it at 3,000 miles. It all depends. Depends how my life going. You know, I got kids and running them around doing this and that. I didn't working and trying to make money to do this, pay that bill. So it's like, my main thing, I just keep the fluids topped off at every oil change. I mean, keep the fluids topped off at every fill up and just change it when I can. Basically when the light come on or, the 3,000 miles. It all depends. Like I said, it all depends. But this time the change oil soon light come on. Came on. See that? Yep. Now that's crazy how something this old 2002 will have a change oil soon light, but hey, it works. It's helpful. Have a full tank of gas. Hey, why not with a tank this small? Don't take nothing but like $20-something to fill it up. It's way better than my truck. Yep, got 177,000 miles, and believe me, that's nothing to the Saturns I had in the past. I done had vehicles, specifically a Saturn that got up to, well, I had a 95 Saturn, had like 300 or some thousand miles on it. Had one that had 200 some thousand miles. I mean, as long as you keep these the oil change, fluids check, everything topped off, these things will last forever. These good cars, I mean, they do burn oil, consume oil a lot, but hey, they're just a little price to pay for longevity. So, well, I'm gonna hold you guys. Let me get to this oil change. Start doing this oil change. I got to run in the house and to get the filter and stuff to start on it. So, get back to you. All right, you see, got my oil, my filter, and my oil stabilizer by Supertech. I got some regular oil. I get whatever oil on sale. Really don't matter. People got this big fuss about oil. Oil is oil. Better to change it with any oil than to run low or not fill it and let it get gunked up. But yeah, jack the car up. Gonna get ready to take the wheel off. For those of you who don't know, the oil filter behind 2002 Saturn SL1 is behind the. I usually take out the tire, then take that little panel off, and then unscrew the filter. I try to hand tighten it so I can get to it. The next time I change it, it'll be easier to do. And I'll show you when I get to it. I'll show you. All right, got the tire off, and see this little panel right here? It's a little tab right here, and then it was something that hook up in here, but I took that off so much it just, it broke. So yeah, let me see if I can get this off my hand. There we go. You see, once you take that tab off, the oil filter is right there. Let me see how loose it is. Maybe I can take it out with my hand. Usually I use this, it's like this little, I don't know, like a spin claw maybe. You put it on the back of there, then you stick the ratchet in there, and when you turn it, it tightens up on it, and it take it off. I tried some, I don't know the part number to it, but I tried a few more, and a few more things to take it off. But you can't, some of them you can't get into the back of there. But that's one with like a claw, that's the best one to get. I don't know the model number of it. As a matter of fact, I don't know where it is. I had to go find it. Stop this video and go find it. But yeah, let me get to it. Let me see if I can take it out from my hand. Let me see. It's kind of tight. Might have to go get it. Yeah, let me see if I can go get it. Might be able to take it off my hand though if I put the camera down. I usually get the one with the rough grip on it, so I can be able to grip it and take it out, but this one don't seem like to be coming off. But maybe if I let the oil out, take some of the pressure off, I can do it. Let me see. Hey, yeah, I was able to, when I put the camera down, I was able to get leverage on it and unscrew with my hand. See, like it moves now. I broke it free. So don't really need to use the other thing to take it off, and that's pretty good because I can't fan it anyway. Don't know where it's at. But let me drain this oil, and then I'll get back to you. I got to get up under here and take this bolt out and let this oil drain. I guess no. Get up under the front of the vehicle. This is the oil pan right here, and little bolt that you gotta take off right there. It's gonna be a 14 millimeter, I believe. That right there. Let's loosen that up, and then just pan up under there, let it drain. Yep, and that's all to it. Usually I usually clean this bolt off with a towel and put some fresh oil around there before I stick it back in there, screw it in there. I mean, you don't have to. You can use the old oil. I just, it's just been doing this old habit. So old habits, they're hard. So all right, let me let that drain. Then I'll turn you guys back on in a minute. Yeah, guys, this is what I usually do before I put the oil filter back on. Open up the oil filter. Open up the new oil. I mean, you could use the old oil too to do it. I just like doing this. I'm extra sometimes, so be doing extra stuff sometimes. Rather overdo it than underdo it. Except when it comes to tighten the bolt, and then you're screwed. Put the oil around the threads. Yeah, a little bit around the rubber too, just to make a good seal. Yeah. And then just put it on there and tighten it up. I always try to hand tighten it, because if you ever try to get one of these off, like with a screwdriver, you poke a hole in it, trying to turn it, man, it could be real a pain in the ass trying to get one of these things off if it's over tightened. So what I try to do is I always hand tighten them. I know people say sometimes it don't be tight enough and it could be leaking, but I never have a problem with leaking oil from the filter by hand tightening it. So that's just not true. Yeah, just tighten it tight as you can with your hands without overdoing. All right, and that should do it. And let me get this put this bolt back in, then I'll start putting the oil in. Alright. Alright guys, I got the bolt back in the oil pan. And I ain't put the tire back on yet. I'm gonna do that in a minute, but they usually take 4 quarts of oil. So, you know, I usually pour the stabilizer in first. I mean, there's no wrong way to do it. It's like a Reese cup, no wrong way to do it, but I usually add this stuff first. Alright. The oil change and everything is done. I'll show you guys how to reset the oil light. Okay. You want to get in. Turn your key forward to the on position. Don't start it, just turn it on. Alright. Can't show y'all the blinking part because I'm not in the car, so. You want to turn the key forward. You want to hold this oil reset button down in the fuse box for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe it's supposed to flash. And once you see that, just, you know, turn the key off or start it. Doesn't make a difference. I'm gonna start it. Okay. Turn it off. Start it back up. It shouldn't come on. It should go out. Boom. That's it. The light is reset. Try it again. Turn it on. Start it up, it should go out. Yep. Oil light is reset, and I'm officially done with the oil change. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe, and if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them or help you out in any way. So just leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Later.